In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use HubSpot products efficiently in just 5 minutes. HubSpot offers a wide range of tools to streamline your business operations, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be up and running with some of its core features. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by typing in hubspot.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on HubSpot's main site, which serves as the gateway to their suite of software and tools designed to enhance your business. It's a well-structured platform that's user-friendly and comprehensive. Next, to begin your journey with HubSpot, you'll need to log in. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right of the home page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials, such as your email address and password. If you haven't created an account yet, there's an option to sign up, and it's a simple process. Logging in will direct you to the HubSpot homepage, which acts as the central hub for all your activities within the platform. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, direct your attention to the navigation menu. Here you'll find various options that categorize HubSpot's offerings from marketing and sales to customer service. For our purposes, locate and click on Commerce. This section focuses on HubSpot's e-commerce tools, particularly products and services, which are vital for managing your offerings efficiently. Within the Commerce section, navigate to the Products option. Clicking Products will present you with a list view of all your existing products if you've previously added any. This is where you manage your inventory, keep track of what's available, and explore additional options for product management. Now, to add a new product, click on the button labeled Create Product. This is where the magic happens. Adding products is straightforward and essential for showcasing what your business has to offer. After you click on this, you'll be prompted to enter specific details about the product you wish to create. These details may include the product name, description, price, and any other relevant attributes that define your product. Creating a product in HubSpot is a repeatable process that's simple once you get the hang of it. After completing these steps, make sure to review all the information to ensure accuracy. Once that's done, you'll officially have a product listed on your HubSpot account that customers can interact with. And there you have it, a quick guide to setting up and using HubSpot products in just a few moments. By following these steps, you're on your way to leveraging HubSpot's powerful tools to streamline your business processes. Thanks for watching, and remember to explore all the features HubSpot has to offer for optimizing your business operations.